Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to iCloud. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on iCloud, click the Create Apple ID option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, transferring photos from Google Photos to iCloud involves a few steps, and you can do this either using a computer or directly from your mobile device. But the thing is, it's a lot easier to do that on your mobile device, and I need you to open your Google Photos from your iPhone, all right? Now, log in with your account if you're not already logged in, and make sure that you usually see the download button represented by a downward arrow icon at the top right corner. And of course, you need to select the photos you wanted to be downloaded on your computer in a .zip file. All right. Now, if you have the option to unzip the downloaded file, please do so. Locate the downloaded zip file. It's typically in your downloads folder. Right click on the .zip file and select extract all for Windows. But again, I'm doing it on the mobile phone, so now, if you haven't already, go to your App Store and go to the apps. And I need you to type in Google Photos if you haven't already. And click on search. Now, once you are here, if you see an update button, click on it to make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the Google Photos. Alright? Now, just wait for it a little bit. It's loading right now. Okay, so just wait for it because it's loading and updating the latest version of the Google Photos on your App Store. It'll take some time depending on the internet connection, if it's active and stable, because once it's completed. Now, once you are inside the Google Photos, I need you to select the photos that you wanted to download. All right, and click on Backup or save it to your local disk drive. Now, once your images has been transferred to your local device, which is your iPhone, I need you to click on the selected photos right here. Long press on that because we're going to share it. Click on the, for example, this one right here. I'm going to share it, okay? And I'm going to save it to my files. After that, you already transferred your Google Photos to your iCloud. All right. Copy the iCloud link if you wanted. Now that's using the mobile device. But again, if you use the web version, now once you are on the web version or on your Google Photos, I need you to manually click this specific image right here. You need to download this one or you can share. All right. Share. Or you can simply download this file and zip it. And you need to upload this manually to your iCloud account. All right. Now from here, you need to log into your iCloud account. And after that, you manually upload the zip files that you created. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.